YouTube automatically adjusts video resolution based on internet speed and device performance. By default, 360-degree videos may start at a lower resolution, resulting in reduced clarity. Follow these steps to manually set the highest resolution available. On mobile, Android, and iPhone, open the YouTube app. Play the 360-degree video, tap the screen to show controls, tap the three dots, Options menu, select Quality. Choose the highest resolution available, for example 2160p, also known as 4K, or 1440p, also known as 2K. Additional notes. Higher resolutions require a stable Wi-Fi connection or a high-speed mobile network. Using auto mode may cause frequent quality changes based on network conditions. On PC or laptop, open YouTube in a web browser, play the 360-degree video, click the gear icon Settings at the bottom right, select Quality, choose the highest resolution available, for example 2160p, also known as 4K, or 1440p, also known as 2K. Additional notes. Higher resolutions require a GPU with video decoding support for smooth playback. If the video stutters, reduce resolution to match system performance. On VR headsets, YouTube VR, Oculus, Quest, Pico, etc., open YouTube VR, play the 360-degree video, open the settings menu, navigate to quality settings, select the highest resolution available. Ensure a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection for optimal streaming. Some headsets may limit resolution based on display capabilities. General recommendations: fast internet connection is required for 4K playback, minimum 25 Mbps recommended. Wired connections, Ethernet, provide more stable performance than Wi-Fi. Hardware acceleration should be enabled in the browser for smooth playback. Clearing cache may resolve playback issues on mobile and desktop. These steps ensure that 360-degree videos are displayed at the maximum available quality for a better viewing experience. Subscribe to help me make more videos.